Good morning or good afternoon, class. Welcome to my home, and we're going to play a little game today. I'm going to explain to you how to play this game about reproduction. Reproduction. This has been your topic for Olive this week. And hopefully by the end, you'll be able to distinguish the difference between internal fertilization, which happens inside mammals or people, like this little figurine of mine that has this little baby that developed right inside their mommy, right inside there. Or external fertilization, which happens outside, like exit, like outside. And this happens in fish, like sucker and pretty here. These are my son's fish to take care of. So by the end, you'll be able to distinguish the difference between the two and hopefully explain the difference between mammal and reptilian, snakes, reproduction, using words like internal and external fertilization. So, let's play this game. You have to get out your cards, give them a shuffle. Alright. There's a shuffle. Get out your pegs. Get out a partner, because there's only two of you playing. So this is Mane right here. I'm playing against Mane. He's going to be green. I'm going to be red. Get out your tokens and your die. I'm red, so here's red tokens for me. Here's some green for Mane. Okay? And then you both draw a card. Mane gets a frog. That's his card he gets. Put that right there. Well, I drew the peacock. And the goal of this game is to get down to the very end, make it around this board, get to the end with the most cards. Okay? So this is the board we're going to go around, and hopefully I'll get more cards as I go along. So we'll roll the dice. To see who goes first. I get a 4. Mane gets a 1. I get to go first. Here I go. So here's a 3. So I'm going to take my little red peg and move 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. It's a female. I'm thinking these female and male squares don't really amount to much, so we're just going to let them be. It's his turn. Mane's turn. 4. Take his little peg. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a gestation. That's how long it takes for the baby to grow inside or outside the mother. So that is 90 to 280 days. On the card it says 42 to 54. Doesn't work. No ways to get an extra card here. I'll take that as a 4. Why? Arba. Internal development. This is external development. Shoot. No card. Nothing. That's no good. 1 for Mane. He gets 1 on a male. Nothing. 1 on a dice. I get 3. 1, 2, 3. Gestation above 300 days. Nothing. Oh, that's a 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing. Roll. Of course, we're being well behaved and we have good attitudes. Maybe we're talking, but we're still focused on the game and playing nicely. So that was me for 3, right? Is that me for 3? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm red. 1, 2, 3. Gestation for 31 to 60 days. 28. So close. No. Dang it. It's Mane's turn. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a disease. That means if I can land on the disease, I gotta go back to home. Dang it. Okay. 5 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So female. See if I can speed this up and get to land on something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 31 to 60 days. Yes. That's 42 to 54. That means I gotta take down a peg, put it right there, and get another card. That means I'm ahead. I have 2. Mane has 2. I have 1, so he's in the lead. If he gets to the end, or if I get to the end, and he has the most cards, he's gonna win. So that's no good. So we're gonna keep on playing in a very positive and a well-behaved manner, going around this board until time runs out, which is gonna be about 20 minutes. And when we're done, we're gonna clean up. Cards, back, take our tokens, put them back inside here. Put a little die, set it back up, and put things up to the side. And then we can write our paragraph explaining the difference between internal and external fertilization for mammals and reptiles. That is the point of today, to distinguish the difference and to be able to explain it if you can for the 25 marks. Good luck. Have fun.